Okay, y'all. It's not very often that you get a chance to buy the nicest 55 available in the United States, but that's what this is today. Over $320,000 spent, custom frame, custom suspension, custom interior, custom engine, transmission, and rear end. Unbelievably meticulously restored car by an industrial engineer that expects perfection. I'm not telling you this car is perfect, but I'm telling you I've not found a flaw or anything that doesn't work. It is extremely nice. Like I said, $320,000 spent on the restoration. Willwood drilled and slotted brakes, complete LS crate motor. Everything is unbelievably done way right. I'm gonna fire it up. Look at the door jambs. It's amazing. $1,328 miles on this build. Custom headliner, custom interior, custom dash, custom steering wheel, leather wrapped, custom door panels. I mean, right down to the carpet. Unbelievable how nice this car is. Doors just click shut. Crazy, unbelievably nice inside and out underneath. Had these custom made, the stainless, so that it fits perfectly. And again, I know perfect is a very strong word. That was his intentions, and it certainly appears that way to me, but I'm not making that claim. Done all the way right, as best as a human can do anything. I will do a video just in the trunk. It will be attached to this ad, so you can check it out. Absolutely awesome car. $320,000 spent, priced under $200,000 with 1,328 miles. Check us out at redlinemusclecars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. There's not a nicer 55 in this nation. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day. We're located in Wilson,